7 Top Cybersecurity Learning Tools. Raspberry Pi. This is a low-cost credit card-sized desktop computer that runs Linux, but it also provides a set of GPIO, general-purpose input and output, pins. It enables people to explore computing and learn programming. Flipper Zero. A multifunctional device that can interact with various types of wireless signals, including RFID, NFC, and infrared. It can clone access cards, control devices, and more. Rubber Ducky. The Rubber Ducky looks similar to a USB pen drive. It can be used for a variety of attacks: hack a system, inject a keystroke into a system, inject payloads, and also steal information and sensitive data. LAN Turtle. A covert network penetration testing tool that can be plugged into a network to gather information or perform attacks. Wi-Fi Pineapple. A powerful tool for Wi-Fi reconnaissance and man-in-the-middle attacks. It can create rogue access points to intercept and analyze wireless traffic. Alfa Network Card. A high-powered Wi-Fi adapters that can capture and inject packets, making them ideal for wireless security assessments. Ubertooth 1. This is a small, open-source USB device with an antenna powered by an ARM Cortex-M3 chip and a CC2400 wireless transceiver. You can sniff and monitor Bluetooth signals from nearby devices.